In this video, I will be showing you how to create a professional Teams background in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen by clicking into the search bar and typing Teams background. Once the templates load, I'll browse through the options to find a design that works for a business setting. I've found a blue and white modern template that looks great, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open the editor. The first thing I want to do is clear away the default decorative elements. I'll select and delete the wavy blue shapes on both the left and right sides of the frame. I'm also going to remove the text placeholders for the name, title, and website URL at the bottom to give myself a clean slate. Now I want to add some texture to the background. I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for Abstract Background. I'll select this gray geometric pattern and place it onto my canvas. I'll resize it to fit and then use the transparency tool to fade it out, ensuring it stays subtle and professional. Next, it's time to update the main text. I'll double-click the heading and change it to Virtual Company Meeting. I'm going to resize the text box to keep the words properly stacked and then drag the entire heading up toward the top left corner. To bring some color back into the design, I'll go back to the Elements tab and search for more abstract graphics. I'll pick this sharp blue triangular element, place it in the bottom left corner, and then lower its transparency so it doesn't feel too distracting during a call. I also need to update the date in the top right corner. I'll select the text and change it to April 26, 2026. To add one final bit of visual interest on the right side, I'll look through the magic recommendations and choose a wavy blue graphic. I'll rotate it, stretch it out to cover the right edge, and then pull the transparency down to tie the whole theme together. With some final tweaks to the text placement, my custom background is polished and ready for my next meeting. Thanks for watching.